All right, last video, we cleared our RAM. Please make sure you have cleared it. If you haven't, go back to the last video and I'll walk you through how to clear this, but we want to clear this before we start. So it has been cleared. So now we're going to go over our viewing windows. So it says when graphing, it is sometimes important, and I want to actually change that to it is often important to be able to edit the viewing window. On our calculator, we're going to press window, what window is currently set to. So if again, you have cleared your RAM, this should all be the same for everybody. I'm going to go in here to window now. And here is my current window. So my X min is at -10. My X max is at 10. My X scale is 1. And then this should repeat. My Y min is -10, my Y max is 10, my Y scale is 1. Okay, so what do all of these things mean? I kind of explained it last video, but here's what everything means. Your X min is the minimum value displayed on the X-axis. So if I go ahead and just hit graph right here, this right here means my X min is at -10. Then my X max is the maximum value displayed on the X-axis. So it goes all the way to 10. The scale is the distance between tick marks on the X-axis. So these are all counting by 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down here to 10. So then same thing for your Y min, max, and scale. My Y min is starting down here at -10, going up to 10, and it's a scale of 1. So each tick mark represents an increment of 1. This viewing window above is considered the standard viewing window. So to quickly get to the standard viewing window of what we just described right there, and that should be -10 at the beginning, we will press zoom 6. So when I go zoom 6 right here for Z standard, then you can either arrow down and hit enter or just push enter in your calculator here, and we get that standard viewing window. So that is a really important thing that we want to be able to know how to find. We will often start right there and change our window as needed. So for example here, can you, if this is my window right here, can you list your X min, max, and scale and your Y min, max, and scale? So pause the video and see if you can list those 6 things. Okay, I hope you had a chance to pause the video. I'm going to go over this real quick. So my X min is the lowest number on my X-axis, so it's -10. My X max is the highest number on that X-axis, so 10. Now, what is the scale? So the scale, it's not going by ones because this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are all of those counting by to get to this 10? That'd have to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. So this is a scale of 2. Now what's your Y min, max, and scale? Well, the lowest number on my Y-axis is -3. The highest on my Y is 15. And then what is each tick mark going by? Well, it's not by ones because that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not by twos because that'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But then if I count by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, that's a scale of 3.